catfish date. I know you have my dragon, bitch. Get it back before I snitch. Cruz gang on top while your whole channel is a flop. It's dead. Stole my Garama, started all this drama. Scammed me and hacked me, and you did it all for free. Broke our treaty. This war wasn't even needed until you seceded.
It's me, and it's time to hit the year. I may be a dog, but I don't give a fuck because you suck.
Cruz, show him who's boss. My name's Timmy and I punch metal for fun. This drama's now over because I won. And Cruz stays at #1 because you're a bum. So next time, steak, don't mess with someone double your size. Goodbye.